Hi, I want to prove that Malwak is with me, and I want to confirm that I am not last of Torah of Jews. In simple sense, I have come as first genie. I have not asked Jews to believe in me. I have not asked Christians to believe in me. Since I am kid, Muhammad Agha and Hussein Agha and the family came and their mothers used to rape me who are old, and they say you must not be of anybody else. You must not do sex with anyone except our mothers who are very very old. And they used to come and do sex with me and fuck me. And they used to born kid, and their kids used to do sex with some of my genies, and they used to force them to put adult videos, porn movies. Then they asked them to watch. They asked me to watch those videos. They don't let my genies to become stabilized by saying Hashim is only original. They Hashim Bakhtiyar, who is a word I proved, who changes on knowing, thought, thinking, imagination. I mean, who lives on thinking is just a word. Challenge to any god. Even who lives and dies on thinking. They are words. I'm not word. I don't live on thinking. I don't die from thinking. So I'm not last of Torah of Jews from past time. And that is the reason Fariha used to give my last of Torah fate, which is of first God, to the Ahmad of past time. I really don't understand the logic. You can try to ask Fariha. If Fariha is real martyr, she will confess in front of you the truth, which I'm going to relieve through the newspaper, popular newspaper you can say, Dinkat edition 327. And if you want to pass like how I want my genies to be stabilized, then you can buy the Dinkat edition 352. I want to confirm and witness Hussein Agha, Shah Hussein, and those genies since kid who prove that I'm Shia. I'm not Shia. My first genie is Nadkhas. I challenge to entire generation of Shias, the Ahlul Bayt, the Imam, the everyone. And I am the one who brought Torah from my middle finger. And you can try to check right now what Shah Hussein did to my middle finger Torah genie, from which I am proven as I brought Torah in Muscat, Oman, to live until I die instead of my genies. You can just try, please. Torah is true, I challenge. So what he did, Hussein Agha did something which I showed you. So it was the truth which I am telling you. These genies used to come since I am kid, and they used to say, we want to fuck your girl genies. They made the entire Christianity, Judaism to be porn masters. Almost entire challenge. And they used to give the sin and case on me by saying and proving they are my family. Just like the Hashim light of God, who used to prove and say he is my son, Hashim light of God, by saying I have taken their fate of last of Torah, and he used to say that I must take we must take his fate, and he used to give to Fariha used to give through in the grave. I really don't understand the logic at all. I have not played game. They came on their purpose. Someone came and proved that I did not have consciousness from thinking, from mind. I am not son of Rahat. Rahat is a word, and I'm not word. So someone who just played game, I'm really sorry. They don't belong to me. They are not my family. Their family is Agha Saab, somebody else. And I give permission to delete them whenever they come from the genie's world into my body. In reality. So to prove that I am true, I'll be levitating in front of here. I just levitated, you saw it. And I'm not enemy of anyone. And who has taken responsibility for playing World War III game? 327 in the Dinkat edition 327. That means Muhammad Agha through Diya Nida has taken the responsibility, including Jesus, and including Moses, including Judaism God, Christian God, Islam God, Hindu God, Sikh, Bora, Shia, Nusayri God. One God of time, Narju. I have not given them permission to bring the World War III from my body. To enter into my body, I have not given them permission. I have not given them permission to make their religion God or current time God. I confirm and witness in front of you. Now I want to know now who is, how the Hussein Agha born kid, how, I mean not Hussein Agha, how that Bilqis only. Bilqis was somebody. How they born kids from me? They come and rape. When I try to go to their home from mine and ask them to show boob, their mother does not show boob. Like someone like the auntie. And instead they come here and do sex by joining themselves. I really don't understand. No, let me just ask you something. Have I given you permission to play World War III game from my body? I prove that I am Torah from Maskatuman. I came from Maskatuman. Who are they who has come from past time? They are trying to prove me that I am Shia, and they try to give me sins and cases. They force me to masturbate and bump bed. Since I am kid, almost for 7.5 years I masturbated. When I was kid, it was not puberty time. Like someone like Tahira, she used to force me to be proven as gay. Bakhtiyar Genie, let's just confess how much beautiful her daughter is. I will not be accepting her daughter at all. I'm really sorry, Bakhtiyar. It's the truth. If your Judaism heaven, including to Nuthu, I am telling, if your papa is true, Jewish heaven, not him, other one. Can you please justice? I prayed for you. I prayed for old Western Wailing Wall. I love Ivanka and many others. If you played game, my genies are mine. Don't you know? Means according to code A3Q, they belong to me. First genie, first god, according to Dinkar edition 2, 327. Now, if you have played game, Narju has told, I am telling you through knowledge, through my belief. Narju has taken responsibility and said nothing must happen to other genies, outside genies. So did he forgot the witness? I want everything of them to be finished. I curse on you, your religion, except my family and those who deliberately died, having bad faith, bad belief. I want everything of those who came with who proved that I'm last of Torah or last of Jews since kid, to be deleted permanently. They don't resurrect. In the name of your God, merciful or whatever, I confirm your God is a word who lives on thinking, who dies on thinking. I'm not word. I don't live on thinking. I don't die on thinking. What do you confront? Is masturbation and bum bed better than me? You tell me. Your girl genies tell me. And males, he taught us masturbation. He taught us bum bed. Why did not I taught you how to fuck? Can you tell? Can you ask them?
चिल्ला रहे क्यों आस्था बोल, पूरी आवाज जा रही बाहर तक, आस्था बोल.
And can you please tell me, have I played game with you? Who has done sex in reality with some of my genies? They are my original true love forever wife, wonder wives. A3Q, I have not played game. I came in consciousness. So who played game? If you are really pewless, I will believe that Western Wall is good. But is there something which I'm asking you, like a sensible human ask, in the name of goodness?
आवाज बंद कर आवाज. आस्था बोल आस्था.
So I'm first God, it is the truth.
आवाज आस्था से होना. ला हौल वला कुव्वता इल्ला बिल्लाहिल अलियुल अज़ीम.
So I'm first God, I don't believe in anyone and I don't rely on anyone.
लानत बेशुमार लानत. जितने भी दुश्मनाने अहले बैत हैं उन पे लानत बेशुमार लानत.
So I have not done any sin. My Torah is true. I confirm in front of everyone that I brought the Torah in Maskatuman and I'm true. And I'm first God. I have never done any sin.
आवाज बंद कर.